Hello Thistledewers, I'm Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I want to do a quick video flip through of some stuff my brother saved for me. I want to give him a shout out and a thank you on YouTube. He saved for me a bunch of paper bags, black and green ones mostly. He gets them when he goes to the weed stores, and so he doesn't use them. Thankfully, he stuffed them away. So there's lots of great little journals, mini journals there. And he heard me talking about my sister Kelly saving me stuff, and saw all the stuff that I was saving when I was staying at my dad's. And so he decided to clean out his hutch one day and saved all this stuff for me. So we've got a calendar here. This is actually a current calendar, so I might be able to use that for some scheduling of my videos and stuff. And a motorcycle book, which I might be able to use in my Father's Day series. This one looks like it's gotten wet at some point, but that's okay. It still will glue down fine, and I can get lots of great graphics out of that. Maybe I'll make a journal for him, because he loves that motocross motorcycle stuff. And so I could really make him a nice little thank you for saving me these things. And there's more bags. The black bags will be great for Halloween. And then a steno notebook cover with just a couple of pages, the very pale green lined paper with the pink line down the middle. I guess you would write in shorthand and then start another column. I'm not sure. I never really thought about that. But I guess that's what that's from. So that's kind of old. It has a barcode, so it's not ancient, but it's a little bit old. And then we got a Christmas card. Love, Dad. I should give that back to Dad. He could use it again next year. And then a bunch of envelopes. Some of them have the colored interiors, patterned interiors, so I'll be able to use those. A ripped one, but I can still salvage something out of that. And then we have vacation specials, just some junk mail. There's a few little pictures in there I can use, and then I can use it as a glue book. There's a cute little Christmas bag. He must have got a present in that. So that's awesome. I have a special spot now for my Christmas stuff. I got one of those plastic 3-drawer units that has the plastic drawers and the black plastic frame, and I put all Christmas stuff in it. So the container concept is what I'm trying to stick to there. This is just a thing from the Lakefront Utilities that provides power in Coburg. So just something about that, and it's like a glossier paper. Probably just end up using that to glue on. More envelopes. And that must be my dad's junk mail. Just a piece of cardstock, a nice thick one. And then a few more envelopes. That one's got the green cross hatch interior. I don't have much green, so that's cool. And then what else have we got in here? There's something fabric. Oh, the paper out of caramels. So I could maybe use some of those graphics. And there's a little map. I'll stick that in my map section. And I think this I might have given him, or maybe my nephew Christopher gave to him. It's a buff, like they use on Survivor, that you put, you can use it as a headband or a neck gaiter or a wristband or whatever. But maybe I can use that in his journal somehow, because he's into that kind of herbal remedy. And let's see, another little gift box from Christmas. So that's something I can definitely use. I'll make ATCs or something out of those little snowmen. It will be a gift box no more. And then another green bag. So the green is not my favorite, but for St. Patty's Day, and even with some florals, they work well. So I will figure out ways to use it. In fact, I could always color it a different color. And then there's a Christmas bag and a striped gift bag. Black and white and turquoise, kind of my favorite color on the turquoise, so I'll use that. And then the Christmas bag is really cute. It's a trailer. It's just a Dollarama bag, but it's really cute, and it has a cardboard trailer that I can take off, plus the pictures on both sides. So that'll go a long way if I don't just reuse it as a bag, but I may have to use that trailer and make myself a Christmas in July trailer book of some sort. So that was fun to receive from Eddie. He doesn't usually get involved too much in what we're doing in the craft world, but he must have been paying attention, seeing that we were saving stuff and reusing stuff and wanted in on it. So I want to thank you very much, Eddie, and I'll make you something pretty as a thank you. So if you've watched this video and you like watching junk hauls of what I've collected to make journals with, do subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tune back in, see what kind of junk we're using. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.